What's going on, everybody? I'm going to share with you an efficiency trick because I love nerding out on technology and learning, because the more learning I do, the more value I can provide. So here's the thing. So what I did is I did a Loom video, and I talked about a summit that I'm doing with Jesper, who's the host, Scale Beyond the Founder Summit. And I'm going to talk about networking strategies and systems for success. But here's the thing. I basically extracted the captions from Descript, the app that I'm using to get the captions out of the video. Essentially, I copy those captions, and this is my own AI app that I create for myself. This is my own AI app. I'm not recommending it to anybody, but I'm just giving you guys ideas to be more efficient with your time. So for example, I use something called 𝘀𝘁𝗿𝗄. That's my AI app that I use. I use multiple different AI apps because they're different functions for different things or whatnot. But I have one called Transcript. So Transcript is social posts. So I'm going to do this. This is an app that I created for myself within this application. So what I do is I click on it, and it's going to basically transcribe the transcription. It's going to take the transcription and convert it into social media posts. That's essentially what it's doing. So I'm going to hit start. I'm going to paste the transcript. I'm going to hit play, and it's going to create some social media posts for me. So I don't have to worry about recreating the wheel and having to write and think about something. Like, this allows me to just focus my time on just generating really good content. But here's the thing, like, it's going to render the social media post. It's going to create a short version and a long version because I put it in the directions to do so. And so it's thinking it's doing its thing or whatnot, but eventually it's going to spit out the social. There you go. So I got my short post, and then I got my long post. So obviously, most of the time I look at both of them, see which one I like. And most of the time I actually will choose the short one because I want to get to the point, and people don't have time to like read long, drawn out novels in a social media post. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to copy it, and so I created all this logic behind the scenes. So using this app called 𝘀𝘁𝗿𝗄. But use the app that you think is best for you. Like, whatever app you're using, I'm sure you could actually do the same thing. So this is that little app that I created called Transcript to Social Post. I created, this is the name of it, but I could call it Transcript to Social Post, but I shortened it up. So anyways, but yeah, so I'm going to take that information. I'm going to actually put that into my social media scheduler. So if I go here and I go into my, my CRM, and I say, you know what, I'm going to go into marketing. Essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my social planner. I'm going to create a new post, and then from there, after I create the post, I'm going to post it to, right now, I'm just going to post it to Facebook, Instagram, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to upload my video, which I already did in advance. So it's called social post. This is, actually, let me go back. And I forgot to do this. I actually did an image, but I want to do a video, upload video. I have my video under social post. And this is the video that I did with the captions. So if I click on it, there you go. And then I hit paste. Then I'm going to modify everything accordingly. So let me modify that, not do that in front of you. So as you can see in my social media scheduler, I formatted how I wanted it to look throughout the speak of the Scale Beyond Founder Summit. As you can see here, this is the hashtags and everything that were created by my app, my AI app that I created. So this is the content here. And here's the thing. I edited some of the wording to my liking, but for the most part, not really much. So here's the thing. I'm going to customize for each channel. I could actually customize the captions or the description for each channel. So what I'm going to do in LinkedIn doesn't like a lot of hashtags, so I limit it to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there we go. Those are the 5 hashtags right there. And then also too, I'm going to modify YouTube to actually put in the title. There you go. And on Instagram, I'm going to make it a reel instead. There you go. And the one platform that I really care about is LinkedIn. I really focus on LinkedIn. So I always look at my LinkedIn to see how it looks. And that's how it looks. So I got everything the way I want it to be. And it says register here. And I'm going to click on post. And I'm going to schedule a reoccurring post. And I'm going to say, you know what? I'm going to make it on a weekly basis from today to the 15th, which is my workshop. And then I'm going to say confirm, and I'm going to say every Monday and Wednesday. So you see, when the social media schedule saves me so much time to manually post to multiple platforms, and I could do a reoccurring post. So on Monday and Wednesday each week, between the 8th and the 15th, I'm going to send it at 4:22 a.m. I'm up early, so I don't really care. I like getting stuff done early because I have a clear mind. But anyways, I'm gonna click on schedule post, and that's it. Yeah, my workshop is next Wednesday, the 15th, I believe. So on Monday and Wednesday every week before the 15th, you'll get a social media post, and I'll be scheduling it out to my social media platforms to give more exposure, not only to me, but for the Scale Beyond the Founder Summit. Take care. Schedule post. Here we go. Let's do it. All right, that's it. You see that? I'm just all about being efficient with my time and making really good connections for the people in my network to support not only me, but for all the other people that are presenting at the Scale Beyond the Founder Summit. And this is just me utilizing technology to streamline operations, to be more efficient with my time. And that's what it's all about. And it's all about being efficient with your time so you could do more, you could be more human, and you could support other people in your network. Hope this gives you some ideas on how to streamline your operations behind the scenes so that you could be an efficient professional. So you could do more, make a bigger impact, and that's what it's all about. Peace and have a great day.